Hi everyone, I want to talk to you today about setting goals for your agency, because this is really important for yourself as the agency owner and having direction to go and knowing where you're heading. But it's also important for your staff if you do have people employed, because they want to know where you're heading to and what they're aiming towards. Because if they're just treading water, they're not sure what's going on, and that is not great. They might start looking elsewhere for a job. They might think the company is in trouble. All sorts of reasons why that's not a good thing. Because the idea is that once you know what your 5-year, or some people like to have a 10-year vision is, then you can work backwards and chunk that down into different smaller compartments, which will help you figure out what your 3-month and even 1 week type goals are. So if you have a big picture up here, like let's say it is to have a 10 million per year agency, be the best agency in car finance specialist. It could be to be the best lead generator in the car finance industry in the whole world. All right, so you're the go-to agency. All right, in order to hit that 10 million revenue per year, then you're going to have to think about getting clients. All right, so it could be that getting clients is obviously one of the most important things. So you might want to build a client getting funnel within a 1-year period. All right, and that might include how to build an ad campaign in Facebook to land clients, or within LinkedIn. It could include a direct mail piece that you need to get developed. So if you chunk that down into a 3-month goal, you might see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to do to build that funnel together. But one of the things you need to perfect in the next 3 months might be car finance direct mail, and maybe a Facebook ads campaign. You might also want to have, in order to do that, you might need a 5-star Trustpilot review. Okay, which means that you're going to have to set up a survey type funnel. You might want to say that you're at 5 million per year here. Yeah, you might want to have acquire a call center here. And within 1 year, you might want to do a revenue share deal. Probably can't read my writing here, but as I'm talking, you should understand it. And you can generally build this out. That's just a small sample. And I'd recommend you spend a couple of hours doing this and getting very clear on what your 5-year type vision is, and then chunking that back within a 3-year, a 1 year, and a 3-month. And then once you have your 3-month, you can start doing your weekly catch-ups with your team and say, okay, we've got this 3-month goal. It's the quarter that we need to get done now. Let's break it down. Who's going to do a direct mail piece this week? Okay, Ben, you've got the car finance Facebook funnel to design. Alan, you've got a landing page that you need to build for your Facebook ads campaign, and you can generally start building towards that. But if you don't know where you're going, i.e. down up here with the 5-year goals, then you'll have no idea how to get there. Your staff are not going to know what's going on. You're not going to know what's going on, and you're just going to tread water and stay exactly where you are. So it's very important to set some goals for your agency. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you've got any questions, type below in the comments box and we'll help you out. Speak soon.